Alright, so we started doing designs of characters, and if you're going to do designs of props, it's the same process. You draw the prop. When you draw a prop, you want to use a character so you can show the size comparison between the prop and the character. So let's say you're designing a phone. You want to put the phone in the character's hand and also draw just the phone by itself. So you can have the design of the phone and the size comparison with a character. And if you want to, you also put it in the environment that it might be used. And right now I'm just going to show you some character design sheets I found online. There's no drawing in this segment. I'll get back to drawing on the next unit, which will be storyboarding. And at the same time, during storyboarding in the anime industry, usually you're also creating environments, and you're also doing color schemes. So while we're storyboarding, I'll try to get to another video in the same unit about doing colors and backgrounds. So I'm just going to show you right now some images, and that would be it for this class today. So this would be considered a model sheet, a turnaround, plus on the bottom right you can see her eye. This would be a male character turnaround, front, side, and back. This would be another turnaround, side, front, and back. You can pose a character if you want to. When I did the last lesson, I just drew a still character. But you can pose a character as much as you want to. This would be considered an expression sheet. Different expressions of the character, how she looks. This would be another expression sheet. This would be a turnaround for two different characters. This is a sheet that I wanted to show you the different models of the same character, a chibi, and a little girl, etc. This lines on the sheet of paper is guidelines for you can turn the character around easily when you're drawing them on the same sheet of paper. Notice the top of the head, the nose, the chin, the neck, etc. Those guidelines so you can properly draw the character in different angles, front, side, back. This is a bunch of character sheets from different characters. This is another expression sheet. I found all these images on Google. More expression sheets. So you can use reference online if you can find it, and I'm sure you can if you have Google or Bing or whatever. This is showing a character from the front and side and back, plus her props and size comparison. This is a original character design plus the flat and shade cut and shadow markup colors. these are blanks. They're basically just poses, so you can use them for your own characters. To use the poses and put your character on top of it. And this is just a page from a book on drawing action poses. So you can put your character in those poses.